fam, it's Coach Ken here guys, Coach Ken and Coach Shiro guys. We're about to give you guys a massive 10 minutes abs workout. Guys, what I can tell you guys, it's gonna be amazing workout, and don't forget guys to comment below where you're watching from and what you can say, my boy.
Guys, let's work on those abs, take down that belly fat. Let's go guys.
You know,
Let's bring guys together, guys, to get them together. Lifestyle, guys.
Let's go.
Don't forget.
They want to.
you guys, about 10 minutes abs workout. That will be more than 10 exercises. So we're gonna start from the first one. We're gonna be at 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next exercise, we are here. I'm gonna give you guys 10 times in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. I'll give you a third exercise. That's gonna be on this position. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. Last one on my side, the fourth exercise. We're gonna be on this position. Now 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Push in the
Alright guys, let's go to our next workout. Now what I want us to do, let's go back on this position. Be here. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next workout, what I want us to do while we're facing the same side, we're gonna be here. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go to workout number 3. While you're still in that position, you're gonna be here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one on my side. What you're gonna do, same position. Keep your hands at the back to maintain the balance. Just here. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And let's go guys, next workout now. Give me 5 skill. Let's go 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Workout number 2. Now we're here. Let's go 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We go number 3. Now, this side. Let's go 3, 2,
3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well guys, now we're gonna be on this position. You guys first this time. We're gonna be on this position. Now we're gonna start on the mountain climbers. I'll give you 2 exercises facing down. Give the next coach. On 3, 2, and then 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Next one is a plank position. Hold it in 3, 2, and 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Right, go to our next workout. What I want you to do is give me in and out. In and out. Yeah. Let's go in 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, workout number 2. Open and close. Still in the same position. Work your normal core now. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1.
Let's go guys, let's work out now. Right. Here. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Workout number 2 with depth shoulder. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 10, 9, 8,